Hey, hello, this is Vince, the digital sign guy with Pacific Digital Signs. We are out here visiting one of our new clients, Vallarta Supermarkets in LA. Got some beautifully designed stores with some amazing taquerias inside. And as you can see, we've been rolling out some beautiful menu boards for them. 1x8 display, so these are 8 49-inch displays. And as you can see, they've got a variety of different content rolling on them. This is day after the install, so you can see everything is looking good. And they've got a combination of rotating specials, and as you can see, 8 different menu boards that change based on their daily specials. All of these are synced right up to their POS system. So every week when they change their specials or change their prices, the menu boards update automatically, which has been a big help with what they were looking at previously. So if you need help with digital menu boards, we have got you covered. Vince, the digital sign guy with Pacific Digital Signs. Adios.